everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and I was laughing as I was coming home because, let's see, you see that? A picture of a Corvette on the refrigerator. Yeah, my husband's dream car. So anyway, I just thought that was funny that it got into the camera. So this morning, or I guess it's noon, I just went to Walmart and got a few groceries, and I was fixing to make me some iced coffee, and I said, well, I had wanted a recipe, and my son gave me this recipe, so I'm gonna share it with y'all because I wanted to make my own, because I just don't go and pay $5 and $6 for a cup of iced coffee at the little coffee shop. So I wanted to make my own so it'd be cheaper. So I mean, I could buy craft supplies with that money. So I'm gonna turn y'all down now, and I'm gonna show you. Let me back you up a little bit. Y'all see all the things. This is real life. Okay. And I think I have my phone turned. Okay, let's get y'all back. Probably making y'all drunk by now. Okay, I'm gonna show you the stuff instead of me. But you look a little crooked. There, maybe that's better. Okay, yeah, I have clutter. This is my favorite little dish I got from Hobby Lobby. It says, good cooking and lots love. Eat it, moms. So that's for my kids. Eat it, moms. Come see your mom. So, okay, this is iced coffee that I've already brewed. So what I do, my son said 2/3 of iced coffee. So I just do 2/3 of a cup. Okay. Then I've got just the original almond milk. You could do whatever kind of milk you'd like. I do 1/3 of a cup. And then, don't y'all love my fine cup here, Taco Bell? All right, then I get this, you can get this on Amazon. I'll put a link into it, but if you can find it at like TJ Maxx or Ross, it's a lot cheaper. This one was at, I think I got it at Ross. It was $3.99. I do order some from Amazon, and it's the skinny syrups, and it has 0 sugar and 0 sugar alternates that spike your sugar. Because some, like Sweet and Low and all that, still spike your sugar. So I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of, I like the mocha. It's my favorite, and this tastes very sweet, and so it's strong. Okay, let me rinse this. Put this over here. All right, let me get some ice, y'all. Want this ice, guys? Just a second. That is probably really loud. And then, hey y'all. All right. Now I got a frother coming in Tuesday, and I will show y'all that too for my coffee. Look at that. It's yummy. It's yummy. Okay. I'm going to pour this. Because that's going to get drank tomorrow. Rinse my lid off. This is short. I'm just going to show y'all how to brew the iced coffee. You don't need no special machines or anything. I get this off of Amazon. I'll leave you a link. It's cold brew. So they come in big bags, really. Well, let's see, what does it say? I'm going to have this memorized for long. So we're going to get 4 cups of water at room temperature. I'm going to say room temperature is out of faucet. That used to be my picture that I made sweet tea in. And so the other day, I got some out and fixed it. I know she said, good thing I didn't think that was tea and get me some. I said, no, you'd have been a little shocked because he does not like or drink coffee. And I drink coffee, regular coffee, hot coffee, cold coffee. Okay, so we're gonna take 4 cups of water and 2 coffee bags. I'm gonna push them down in there. They've got different flavors of this. This is the breakfast blend. They have a sweet flavor. They have all kinds of stuff. I don't like mine real sweet, so. Okay. Now, I will leave this sitting on my counter for 14, let's see, it says it. Brew it. Room temperature 14 to 20 hours. So usually in about 14 hours. This one's gonna go a little longer because it's 12 to, so this one will probably go about 16 hours. But after that, you'll come back, you'll take the I wanna say tea bags. You'll take the coffee bags out, and then you're gonna add 3 cups of cold water. And then you put it in the refrigerator, and I am as crooked as all get out, y'all. Okay. Trying to get y'all straight. So anyway, that's how I do my iced coffee. It's simple. My son had just told me, Mom, you do 2/3 coffee blend and 1/3 milk, and then your flavor to taste. I have all kind of flavors with the skinny syrups. I have even the pumpkin, the peppermint. I haven't tried them all, but I ordered them all. So anyway, so if y'all decide to try this, let me know how you like it. And so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna enjoy my iced coffee. And it didn't cost me no $5-6. So thank y'all, and I will see y'all next time. So guess what? I love you all, and y'all get to crafting and make something beautiful, and I'll be back with another video crafting. See y'all. Have a good weekend. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.